Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're covering the top mistakes to avoid when installing a fence. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or hiring a pro, these tips will save you time and headaches. Let's get started. First up, not checking local regulations. Before you start, always review zoning laws and homeowners association guidelines. You want to avoid fines or being forced to take your fence down. Mistake number 2, skipping the planning stage. Take the time to map out your fence layout. Measure your yard and mark the fence line to ensure accuracy. This step is crucial for a smooth installation. Next, improper post depth. The rule of thumb is to bury 1/3 of the post height. Shallow posts can lead to leaning or breaking, especially in strong winds. Mistake 4, ignoring the soil type. Different soils can affect stability. Make sure to choose the right anchor method for your specific soil conditions to ensure durability. 5th, rushing the concrete cure time. Always allow concrete to set properly, typically 24 to 48 hours. Skipping this step can compromise the integrity of your fence. Next up, not using a level. Always check that your posts are straight. An uneven fence not only looks bad but can also lead to structural issues down the road. Mistake 7, overlooking maintenance access. Ensure you leave enough space for upkeep. A good maintenance routine will extend the life of your fence. Lastly, choosing the wrong material for your needs. Consider your environment and purpose. For example, wood may look great but requires more maintenance than vinyl or chain link. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure a successful fence installation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.